Hello fellow traders, this is another video. Today we will analyze the sentiment analysis. As we can see, I have opened my real account that I have created for the purposes of this series, so I can prove to you that I have a trading plan. We will give a live example in live markets. Today we will see the Australian USD dollar, and we will do it with my real account that it will remain the same, and you can check and verify the account ID. So first of all, what is a sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis refers to what other traders think. Remember, the market is nothing more than a psychology game. If the traders believe that the market will go up, the market will go up. If they believe that the market will go down, the market will go down. So what are their short positions and what are their long positions? I will go to myfxbook. This is just an example to see, and it's not always useful, and today we will see why. Now, as we can see, I'm short on this market, and if we check the sentiment analysis and the retail traders, we will see that 74% of them are going long to this market. So what does this mean? That I am going against them. I am making profit against them. Remember, it is a zero-sum game. For every loser, there is a winner. So do not expect always to go with the other traders. And I will repeat that again and again. This is the reason that it's also very important to understand the market by knowing what other traders do, but also can be misleading. Now, the 74% is going long, and many times when you are reading an analysis, you won't be able to determine the outcome. The analysis will be written in such a way that it will be impossible to understand if you need to go long or if you're going to be short. Most of the retail traders take a decision based on their analysis and their technical tools, and that's why it's also important to take in consideration their opinion. Of course, it doesn't mean that always you need to go to the opposite side. It doesn't mean that you always need to take opposite trades. There are traders that using also this technique, and also the big players that we will see, because there is also a site that I will show you that we can officially see how the big players increase or decrease their positions, either in USD, in GBP, and in all currencies. Also, it's very important that we use statistical probabilities. Every trader does that, and also keep in mind that even the big traders, even the big companies, even the institutionals, they also declare losing. They have also huge losses. So it's a game that it's really hard, and no one can predict the market. We can profit in some points. Yes, this is doable. Now, we will check a tool that is very useful, and it can be more reliable than random retail trader position. We will go to the Commodity Future Trading Commission. In this site, you can check their release report every Friday at 3:30 Eastern Time. Please don't ask me what time is that. They will give you an idea of what are the big players do, how they increase their position or how they decrease their position. Always remember that in trading nothing is written in stone. If the big players are increasing their long positions in GBP, it doesn't necessarily mean that GBP will go long. The Forex market is the market with the biggest liquidity, and in this case, it will give you just an insight, just an idea how to proceed with the sentiment analysis. This is also one of the major flaws of this analysis, due to the architecture of the market, the size of the transaction, the size of the position, and the fast moving way that nowadays the positions are changing, it's very hard and very difficult to get a result. And I will give you an example. You might see in one source that 90% are going long, and in another one exactly the opposite. The 90% is going short. I already show you that I am short in a market that 74% of the traders are long, and this is in a live market, just to show you what are the flaws of this kind of analysis. Always keep in mind that it's just an analysis and it won't give you the absolutely tool. There is no the absolutely tool in trading. So trade safe, and I'll see you again.